Rocco, get your butt out of my face. I am trying to record here. Move. Move, kitty. Move. Move, cat. Move. Rocco. Come on, Hi, I'm Fast Track. I'm the best man pajama who ever stood in front of a camera. Come on, get your cat butt out of here. Welcome back to RWBY Month. Rocco, move. Move, cat. I love you, but Rocco, I know a couple days ago was your birthday, but come on. Anyway, for this reaction, we are going to continue RWBY Month of RWBY Volume 2 with Chapters 3 and 4. There, you're happy now? See, it's better with your butt, not in my face. These chapters are A Minor Hiccup and Painting the Town. Now, to finish that quote, it's painting the town red. And red is some suggestive colors. Oh, and you might have noticed that I am filming in my bedroom. My filthy bedroom. That's because someone is sick and can't handle a little noise. Anyway. So it's just gonna be this one time where I'll be filming in my bedroom. But still, we're going to enjoy a little bit of RWBY. And now we have Rocco enjoying it with us. Rocco, you enjoying RWBY Month? Huh? He's a good kitty. Yes. Oh no, now I have this butt in my face. No, no cat butt. No cat butt. Okay, now where was I? Ah, yes. Now, for today's reaction, it's going to be A Minor Hiccup. Last time on RWBY, we got an upping in animation, an upping in action, an upping in story, and an upping in character development. And now, Team RWBY is planning to take the fight outside the school. But the villains are planning to take the fight inside the school with infiltration from the Fire Lord and her henchmen. Or kids. Hench kids. I wonder how old they are. Anyway, now we get to see what becomes of our heroes. What becomes of the villain's evil plan. What becomes of the story, because I'm really liking the story. Okay, Rocco, you all settled? You all snug? You ready? Okay, with that said, let's continue RWBY Month with RWBY Volume 2, Chapter 3, A Minor Hiccup. Let us begin! 5, 4, 3, 2. Let's get 1 minute in so I don't get sued by the song. 1, go! Let's see it.
So, Weiss, I was thinking after this...
Oh my god, is he really speaking gibberish? Oh, and it's John hitting on Weiss?
I've got 2 tickets to that new Spruce Willis movie if you want to make the trip to Vail.
Spruce Willis?!
And then maybe after that we could study together? I mean, you're smart, and I'm a...
Why?
And then
4 o'clock, time to go. Sorry, Mr. Lorax.
Wrong, I guess. Well, the stunning conclusion to the story will have to wait until next
Right, what a story it was.
Did you hear me?
No, yes.
Oh, she was listening. She just doesn't care. Aw, Yang. Trying to cheer up John. Oh.
I thought that class would never
I think
end.
it's time for them to sneak out.
The investigation begins! I'm glad
They look good in gray.
So seriously. Hey, we've got a plan. That's moderately
Yang,
serious.
you always look good.
Everyone remember their roles? You and I will head to the CCT to check the Schnee records for any other dust robberies or inconsistencies. Seeing as I'm in the family, it shouldn't be a problem. The
Thanks, Ice Queen.
Regular faction meetings to hand out orders and recruit new members. If I can get in, I can hopefully find out what they're planning. I have an old friend on the shady side of town that typically knows everything going on in Vail. Getting information out of him shouldn't be too hard. Great, we'll meet.
Why does this music remind me of Sly Cooper?
Let's do this!
Yeah.
Son!
Goku!
How did you get up there?
It's easy. I do it all the time.
You do what?
I climb trees all the time.
He looks like Spider-Man!
Finally getting back at that torture guy?
We are going to investigate the situation as a team. Sorry, son.
Teamwork.
We don't want to get friends involved if we don't have to.
That's dumb. You should always get friends involved. That's why I brought Neptune. Sup?
Hello,
How
Neptune.
did you even get up here?
I have my ways. Seriously though, can I come in? We're like really high up right now.
Oh.
Alright, I'll go with Weiss.
What is
Son,
Neptune
you
based
can go
off
with Lee.
of?
And Neptune, you can go with Yang since she doesn't have a partner. Everyone good?
Actually, Ruby, why don't you go with Yang? After all, she is your sister.
But Weiss, who would go with you then?
Well, I guess Neptune could come with me.
Oh, a little bit of shipping.
But
Oh,
What?
gosh.
I forget how big the transmit tower looks up close.
you should see the one in Atlas.
That was the first one, right?
Correct. Atlas developed the cross-continental transmit system to
That's a
allow
big
the four
tower.
kingdoms to communicate with one another.
Don't make a
It
joke
was
of
our
that.
gift to the world after the Great War.
Ooh, look at me. My name is Weiss. I know facts. I'm rich.
Yes.
Don't be a pest. Besides, the
She's
only
not being a
reason
pest,
we're
she's being
here is
funny.
because you like the tower so much. We could have just as easily made a call from the library.
I know, but it's so cool. Oh, I'm gonna take a picture. Ah,
Like, oh my god, selfie.
oh,
Is that who I think it is?
you dropped this. Penny?
Penny.
Where have you been? We haven't seen you since the night at the docks. Sorry, I think you're confused. I've got to go.
What was that
Is she
about?
partially cybernetic?
I don't know, but I'm going to
That'd
find
be
out.
awesome.
You go make your call. I'll meet up with you later.
Wait!
Penny, what's happening?
Where have you been? It's been weeks. There seems to be a misunderstanding. What? Penny,
Oh, she's trying to protect her from the truth.
Penny, please stop. Look, I don't know what's wrong, but you have to listen to me. Those guys we fought at the docks, we think they're up to something big, something bad.
Penny, what's wrong,
I need
girl?
you to tell me what happened to you that night. Please, as a friend.
Your friends. Well, with Ruby at least.
It isn't safe to talk here.
Come with me if you want to live. Weiss, I love your combat skirt.
Hello, welcome to the CCT. How may I help you?
I'd like to go to the communications room, please.
Absolutely. Could you please place your scroll on the terminal to verify your identity?
Scroll. Oh, is that what
Perfect.
cell phones are
Thank you,
called?
Misty.
Scrolls? That's interesting. I want my own scroll. Instead, all I have is a Samsung Galaxy S3. Lame.
Welcome to the Beacon Cross Continental Transmit Center. How may I help you?
I need to make a call.
Oh my
to
gosh,
Shady
it's
Company
female
Headquarters
Jarvis!
in Atlas.
Absolutely.
Or Friday,
Head over
whichever.
to Terminal 3, I'll patch you through.
Thank you.
Now, if only she was British.
Hi, Mom. How are things back in Signal?
Oh, it's Skype. It's a giant Skype room.
Thank you for calling the Atlas. Oh, Miss Snee. Good afternoon. Would you like me to
Wife
patch you through your
Schnee.
father? I think your sister Winter might be here as well.
No, thank you.
Winter?
I was actually
She has
wondering
a
if
sister
you could
named
find some
Winter.
files for me. I've compiled a
Winter
short list.
snow, white snow.
I see. If you don't mind, what may I ask is this for?
School project.
Some
Right.
sensitive documents on this list, ma'am.
Well then, I'll be sure to treat them with care.
Right. Very well. The data's being transferred to your scroll now.
Wonderful. That will be
Scroll.
all then.
Alright.
Are you sure you wouldn't like me to patch you through to your father before you go?
Yes, I'm sure.
Well then, have a nice day.
Ah. The good old father issues. I feel that. I feel that. I feel that too well. Penny! So you're gonna share a cup of coffee with Ruby?
I wish I could help you, Ruby, but I don't know anything about those men. Well, what happened to you that night? We were all together and then you just disappeared. Were you kidnapped? Oh, no, nothing like that. Well, then where did you go? I've never been to another kingdom before. My father asked me not to venture out too far, but...
So, she is
homeschooled. My father
homeschooled.
loves me very much. He just worries a lot. Believe me, I know the feeling. But why not let us know you were okay? I was asked not to talk to you. Or Weiss, or Blake, or Yang. Anybody, really.
Was your dad
Yikes.
kind of upset?
No, it wasn't my father.
Has been the standard security model of London for several years. And they have done a fine job. Wouldn't you agree? Wouldn't you agree? But the Kingdom of Atlas is a
Oh, more holograms.
Well, that's just not good
Cool.
enough. Presenting the Elysian Knight. 200.
Cool.
Smarter, sleeker, and admittedly, a little less scary. These models will become active later this year.
What?
They won't be alone. Now, the Elysian military...
Are they programmed with a bit of bruh?
Battlefield. However, there are still many situations that undoubtedly require a human touch.
Ruby?
So, our kingdom's greatest minds, in cooperation with the Schnee Dust Company, are proud to introduce...
Schnee. I just can't get that out of my head.
Elysian Paladin.
Paladin? Wow. That looks fancy.
But these mechanized battleships will be seen defending the borders of our kingdom within the year.
Ruby?
I am sure
Maybe we
Ruby
should go
agrees with me.
somewhere else.
But,
Penny? Wait! Where are you going?
oh dear. I guess she's a wanted girl.
Down here. She went this way.
Run, Ruby, run. Oh! Hey, I'm walking here. Does that say fragile things? Oh my god, why? Why?
This way!
Oh, this is very anime. Since when can she fly? I'm all for breaking logic, but this is ridiculous. Oh dear! What? What?
Are you okay?
It's not the strangest thing I've seen, but still, what? I'm pretty sure Yang could do that. Why are you looking like this? Okay, I don't care if they're colored. They still have those blank looks in their eyes as civilians. Bet you $10 that some of those civilians are modeled after the writers or developers.
What is going on? Why are you running? How did you do that? I can't.
Can't
Everything's
Yang do
fine.
that?
I don't want to talk about it.
Oh, she has
Penny,
hiccups.
if
Ah, a
there's
minor
something
hiccup.
wrong, I can help
Get it?
you. No. You wouldn't understand. Let me try. You can trust me.
What is going on?
You're my friend, right? You promise you're my friend? I promise. Ruby, I'm not a real girl.
Oh.
Oh.
What? Well, this is... Oh my god, I get it now! Penny's Pinocchio! A boy made out of wood. A girl made out of... copper, nickel... maybe some aluminum... metal, basically. It's Pinocchio would make her father Geppetto? Salutations. Oh, Penny. So, she's a robot trying to find her place in humanity. Yep, it's Pinocchio. I bet she says, I want to be a real girl. And then she has to save her father from a giant whale. Or something like that. But anyway, whoa. So, Penny is 100% a robot. Domo arigato, Mrs. Roboto. Well, this is something. What do you think, Rocco? Okay, so then, well, I guess my hunch was a little bit correct. Penny is fully android. I was thinking cyborg, but So Penny is a little mix between Pinocchio and Astro Boy, kind of. But yeah, this is quite something. So that was a minor hiccup. And I did not know that robots could get hiccups. Rocco, what did you think of the show? Yes, you're a good boy. Well, we got to see Team RWBY go out on their mission to finally stop the White Fang and whatever dastardly deeds is happening. Though we never got to see the villains on the inside. Okay, Rocco, calm down. Rocco, stop rubbing your face on my computer. Rocco, get look at that. Yes, go sit. Get your cat butt out of the camera. Anyway, now, I really want to see what happened with the villains inside the school. Like, the Fire Lord, and Mercury, and Emerald. I wonder what they're based off of. Okay. Her real name is Cinder. I was gonna say Cinderella, but that wouldn't exactly make sense because Cinderella is a good princess. I don't know. But now, enough of that. Let's get back to Penny and her story, and the rest of Team RWBY and their stories in Painting the Town. ... Because that's what it's titled. Penny has a lot to explain to RWBY, and RWBY has a lot to explain to the team, and Weiss has to explain some things about her family. And Blink and Yang, we didn't get to see Blake and Yang, but and John got to hit on Weiss, and Weiss was hitting on Neptune, and I believe San, who was based off of Goku, who was based off the Monkey King, is hitting on Blake, and Yang, she is all three. Anyway, enough about that. Let's get to RWBY Volume 2, Chapter 4, Painting the Town. Let's get in this. Of course, 1 minute in so I don't get copyrighted. Here we go. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go!
Penny, I don't understand.
Oh, and she said, oh, the same time I did.
But I was made. I'm the world's first synthetic person capable of generating an aura.
Cool.
I'm not real. Of course you are. You think just because you got nuts and bolts instead of squishy guts makes you any less real than me?
Squishy guts.
You're taking this extraordinarily well. You're not like those things we saw back there.
She's extremely optimistic.
Got a heart and a soul, I can feel it. Oh, RWBY.
I'm pretty sure her heart is a synthetic alloy.
I can see why your father would want to protect such a delicate flower.
Delicate flower. Oh, yes.
He's the one that built me. I'm sure you would just love him. Wow.
So is he Geppetto?
You all by himself? Well, almost. He had some help
Wait,
from Mr. Ironwood.
is her father that one military guy?
Is that why those soldiers were after you? They like to protect me too. They don't think you can protect yourself? They're not sure if I'm ready.
Delicate little flower.
One day, it will be my job to save the world. But I still have a lot left to learn. That's why my father let me go to the Fire Festival.
She's more than Pinocchio. She's Superman. Having people always tell her that she's destined to save the world.
Save the world from what? We're in a time of peace. That's not what Mr. Ironwood said.
Sit down here.
Ironwood.
You have to
That's
hide.
his name.
Oh, Penny, what are you doing? You don't have to go with them.
What? No, not the garbage. Oh.
RWBY, they're not that.
That is so unsanitary.
I just don't want you to get in trouble. Just promise me you won't tell anyone about my secret, okay? I promise.
Oh well.
Salutations on a
Salutations. Who says that? Except to her.
Girl, I've been by myself all day.
You shouldn't
Hiccup.
cause such a scene.
Drink some water with that. Oh wait, she can't.
Just a scratch.
Penny, your father isn't going to be happy about this. Please, just come with us.
Yes, sir.
Does every girl wear a combat skirt? Ew, rats. That ain't right. Yang! Nice helmet. Kind of look like the soldier from TF2.
Come on, my friend's right in here.
Oh, I love jazz.
And where exactly is here?
With a hint of pop music and electro beats. Wait, this bar looks... Oh, right, the Yang trailer. Oh, those henchmen that all look the same. Oh, I love that song.
Guess who's back?
There's something wrong with the music. The hell? That's supposed to be a Dead Mouse parody.
Can you find friend for me?
Stop! Nobody shoot. Blondie, you're here. Why?
You still owe me a drink.
Right, a strawberry sunrise, no ice.
What a woman.
Ooh.
Sup?
Whatever.
Yeah. Women, why do they have to be so cruel? And Blake.
This is it.
You sure? You know, I'm just gonna take your word for it.
Son.
New recruits, keep to the right. I don't get it. If you believe what you're doing is right, why hide who you are?
The masks are a symbol. Humanity wanted to make monsters out of us, so we chose to don the faces of monsters.
Grim masks. That's kind of dark.
So is the
Symbolism! I love symbolism!
Sunshine and rainbows with you.
Yeah. Maybe I should call Blake Raven. Makes sense. Yeah, whatever. Or Catgirl.
Thank you all for coming. For those of you who are joining us for the first time tonight, allow me to introduce a very special comrade of ours. I can assure you, he is the key to obtaining what we have fought for so long.
Thank you!
That dirtbag!
Please, hold your applause.
What's a human doing here?
I'm glad you asked, dearie. Now, I'll be...
Did he just say dearie?
Humans...
Terrible pun. Boo! Terrible pun.
Worst. Case in point. So, I understand why you would love to see us all locked away, or, better yet, killed. But... So is he going somewhere with this, or...? I'd like to mention the fact that you and I all have a common enemy. The ones in control. The people pulling the strings. The dirty, rotten humans that run our kingdoms. Government. Military. Even the schools. They're all to blame for your lot in life. And they're all pests that need to
I know I'm gonna get a lot of jokes about this, but this reminds me a lot of the Black Panthers. Symbolism! Oh hey, look, it's a mech thing. He stole one. How did he steal one?
Oh, that's a big robot.
How did he get that?
As some of
Good
you may
question.
have heard, this right here is Atlas's newest line of defense against all the scary things in the world. And thanks to my employer, we've managed to snag a few before they hit the shelves. Now, many of your brothers have already moved down to our new
The
operation.
Fire
in the
Lord, I
Southeast.
guess.
If you'd rather stay within the city, that's fine. But if you're truly ready to fight for what you believe in, this is the arsenal I can provide you. questions?
Yes, when are you gonna go to hell?
We should get out of here.
All new recruits, please come forward.
Well,
Oh dear, they're about to get spotted.
No,
How can you not know?
I haven't talked to him. I haven't even seen him since the night you first
I love
came in.
club music.
He paid up front, I lent him my men, and none of them ever came back.
So where did they go?
Hello,
What kind of
Neptune.
stupid question is that? They never came back. Who is this guy?
Just a dude.
Worry about me if I don't find out what I want.
I already told you everything. Torchwick hired my boys, and I guess he wasn't happy with them.
Which is something I can relate to.
Henchmen are so hard to come by these days, especially good ones.
Get everything we need?
Well, we got everything we can. Hopefully the rest of the team is having better luck.
Are those rose petals falling? I was going to think symbolism, but that would mean that's more Ruby's turf.
He sees us.
Who's a strawberry chocolate mix girl? Oh, they're about to get spotted. That cat lady looks awfully familiar. Oh dear. What's happening? Break out! Huh. Now that's what I call off the wall.
so you wouldn't have to have,
I'm sorry.
I don't know, some form of backup?
On it!
Run, Blake. Run, Goku. Go, Ice Queen.
They got a robot, and it's big, really big.
I am not missing this.
Go, Little
There's
Red.
guys in it, but not like, it didn't eat him. He's like controlling it or something.
Where are you guys?
Go, Goldilocks. Oh, how about that?
I think that was them.
Yeah, I got it.
You think? Buckle up, hang on tight, fasten your seatbelt, all that crap. How can it run that fast? You know, from that angle, he kind of looks like Iron Man in the suit. Oh yeah, definitely Iron Man. But not as cool.
Hold on.
Yikes. Ooh! It's a gun and a spear. Cool. Oh, Neptune. Maybe he's based off King Neptune with the trident, and Sun can create clones? Ooh, a little bit of Naruto in there. Thanks, Ice Queen. Oh, now she's Elsa. Cool. Wait. Did this come out before or same time as Frozen? Oh, team combos. He's got lasers. I like me some lasers. Blake. Yang. Weiss. No, not Yang.
Checkmate.
That's racist. I'm kidding. Ooh, it's getting good. Yep, it's got lasers. She just split the missiles in half. These combos have weird names, but I like it. Oh! You got disarmed. Yang, do your thing. Right through a pillar. Yikes, that has gotta hurt.
Yang! Don't worry. With each hit, she gets stronger, and she uses that energy to fight back. That's what makes her special.
Oh ho ho ho. When a song comes on, you know something's good about to happen. Oh ho ho, you pissed her off. Oh ho, I so pity the dude who pressured her into prom sex. Oh ho ho.
We have to slow it down. And how do you propose we do that? Ice flowers.
Ice flower. Oh yeah, this is definitely like Frozen. Yang, take it down. Ooh! One hit!
Just got this thing clean.
Who cares about your suit, dirtbag? Oh look, that girl. She looks like an ice cream lady.
Ladies, ice cream? Always a pleasure.
Ice queen.
Neo, if you would.
Really? Her name is Neo? Okay, yeah, she's definitely some ice cream lady. What? What in the world? That makes no sense, but I'm so angry he got away.
Yeah, I guess she really made our plans fall apart.
Huh? No. Just no.
What? Do it.
There's a time and a place for jokes.
Was this not it?
No, it just wasn't very good.
Well,
Rice, be a straight
fine.
girl, not the funny girl.
Where's Sun and Neptune?
Oh yeah, good question.
Probably fine, right? Probably.
A simple walk to Noodles' house. Stopping for Noodles. That's it? Just stop for Noodles? Okay. Well, where do I begin? Penny's a robot. Blake infiltrated the White Fang. Rice got some info of some Schnee robberies. Yang got to beat up a giant robot and a disco club owner. And my god. And the boys did absolutely nothing. I wouldn't call it the best episode, but oh gosh, this was action-packed. It's like, yikes. This was a great episode of a great show. Oh boy. What else can I say, but I can't wait to see the rest. Oh man. Hey Rocco, what do you think of it? Come here, boy. Come on, wake up.
But that was too soft.
Come here, boy. That's good, boy. Come here. Follow my fingers. Here, let me help you. Hey Rocco, what do you think of RWBY? Oh, you liked it? So did I. I liked how Penny is a little nod to Pinocchio and her father, Geppetto. I like finding out about White's family, tiny bit. I like the symbolism of the White Fang. I like Yang just because, well, she's frickin' Yang. Yeah. Oh, Rocco, do you have a thing for Blake? I should put a cat joke right here, but nah, this is a show for kids, so this is going to be a reaction for kids. Anyway, well, that should be just about it for me. This was a great episode for a great show with great action, great humor, great characters, great story, great animation, and just great. Great. Well, guess that's it for me. Might as well end it here. Oh, and one more thing. If anyone complains about my setting in the comments, I will... Rocco, please get your cat butt out of... No, not the camera! No, not the... Don't put your cat butt to the camera. I'm Fast Track. I'm the best man pajama. Ever stood in front of the camera. I'll be back in a flash.